There's an issue which has been troubling me for the longest time, which we need to talk about. But I am concerned that I'm going to upset some people and ruffle some feathers. It's even caused me moments of self-doubt and feelings of imposter syndrome. And it's this: credibility. There are a wealth of good YouTube bonsai channels out there, and that's a great thing. It's the great democratisation of information, and I'm certainly no gatekeeper. But it does lead to a question: whose information can you trust, and are they credible? It's time for us to discuss credibility and answer that question. YouTube has opened up a world of possibilities. Anyone with a hobby, a passion, and a smartphone can create videos and share them with thousands, even millions of viewers. That's certainly the case with the hobby of bonsai, but with so many options available, how can you discern which channels provide credible advice and which ones you might want to skip? Bonsai is an ancient art form that requires skill, patience, and a deep understanding of horticulture. But with the rise of social media, anyone with a phone or a camera can claim to be a bonsai expert. So how do we evaluate the credibility of these bonsai enthusiasts online? Let's start with the most telling sign of a bonsai artist's credibility, and that's the quality of their trees. A true bonsai artist will often have a collection that reflects their dedication and expertise. Look for trees that display healthy foliage, appropriate styling, and good overall proportions. Consider not just their best pieces, but their entire collection. A diverse and thriving collection is often a sign of genuine experience and knowledge. If their entire collection is young whips like this, growing in ceramic pots, or their best tree looks something like this, then you should probably suspect their credibility. Next, pay attention to the techniques and advice offered. Are they discussing pruning, wiring, or soil types with clarity and depth? Watch for signs of misinformation, like recommending inappropriate techniques or tools for certain species. Good bonsai channels will often provide a good balance of practice and theory, supported by their own years of hands-on experience, and explain not only what they're doing, but why. Quality mature bonsai trees are often developed for a period in the ground to create a sense of presence and maturity. There's a reason why professional bonsai nurseries have growing beds and ground grown material. A credible bonsai channel will often foster a sense of community. Check their comment section of viewers asking questions. Is the creator responding thoughtfully? This interaction is a good indicator of a knowledgeable host. And let's not forget the pots. The containers you choose for your bonsai are just as important as the trees themselves. Quality pots not only enhance the aesthetic, but also support the health of the tree. A credible bonsai enthusiast will often use well-crafted, appropriate pots that reflect their commitment to the art. This shows they understand that bonsai is a fusion of art and horticulture. It's about presentation. Ceramic bonsai pots tend to be for trees in refinement. I am genuinely sorry if I've upset or offended anyone. And don't get me wrong, if planting immature trees into ceramic pots like this brings you joy and pleasure, then who am I to question that? Continue to do what you enjoy. And if you're not showing your trees, if your trees are just for your individual enjoyment, then it doesn't matter. And sharing and documenting your own bonsai journey is very commendable. But there is a world of difference between this and this. If you aspire to developing quality bonsai trees, then credibility matters. Whose advice you follow matters. Assessing the credibility of a bonsai YouTuber involves looking closely at the quality of their trees, their entire collection, their best trees, and even their pots. A true artist will show you their passion through their work and their commitment to the hobby. So the next time you're scrolling through bonsai channels, remember to look beyond the surface and judge them by the quality of their trees. But as a bonsai YouTuber, I'm more than happy to let my trees speak for themselves. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you found that useful or interesting, and you'd like to help boost your bonsai development, then you need to check out this video next.